Today I'll share a strategy on how to make money online. This website is really good and amazing, and I want to say that most of you have asked me to share this video and create a video to you guys. So if you are new, like, subscribe, comment, share. I need to see comments from you guys. And guys, the link is in the description box. Let's dive into it, guys. So guys, this is the website I've shown you. Actually, it is a new website, and guys, the website is really amazing. You can sell your course, you can do anything you want with this website, and also the website is really much amazing because you can earn up to about $50, as you see, guys. $50. And also what you will do, actually I've submitted about 2 scripts by now, and it is ongoing. It is about to be approved as soon as possible. So guys, here you see content rewards, and guys, create a post and earn. So guys, you will create your own content and earn on this website by only watching their own short clips and start earning. So you see some offers, guys. The first one pays you about, as you see, it's about $7, $1 per 1,000 views, $1. And guys, I know most of you have views on TikTok, views on Facebook, not Facebook, actually Instagram, and also YouTube. Most of you have a lot of views, and guys, guess what? You can earn this money as simple as that. Just I will show you on how to make this money. The first thing, let me discuss first thing on how to make on this website. First thing you do is that you will create the content that they have instructed you to do it. As you see, guys, I have actually join my own YouTube channel with this website, so that they can track uh, my own views on my Facebook account, and make sure you verify your account. As you see, I'm verifying it so that it can be more secure, so that most of you can make this website really amazing. The website is good, guys. uh, Also, you can see, I wanted to tell you that the website is really amazing, and as you see, that is my YouTube channel. It's already on the site, and they can review my YouTube channel and see how it goes, how I create my contents, and they can track easily on my website. So guys, the website is really amazing. So the other thing is that as you create the content on this website, uh, what you need to do is that as you see, people are on the live stream. What you do is that you click and read the guidelines that you have been given, so that, as you see, guys, people are creating contents. So you click on that, this open Whop, and start seeing your own start seeing how you can make on this website. So also, guys, people are chatting. As you see, that is earning about $16 by now. So guys, it's you to it's used to start earning. These are an earning potential, and there is no other site that can pay you this amount, guys, because this amount is really huge. So take this chance, take this opportunity, and start earning in this website. So guys, Whop.com is really good, and I've never seen a site that can pay this much amount on just creating your content. The website is just all about you just advertising it, and they will pay you a very nice amount by just advertising the site. So guys, if you are a good advertiser, you can advertise the site by just creating a very nice content and start earning $50, $20, $30. As you see, you can be also an affiliate marketer. As you see guys, here is the place where you can be an affiliate marketer. You can start being an affiliate marketer and start earning your own amount, about 30%. So uh, I have not shared the link with anyone. This is my new website. The other one I have shared a lot with it, and I have earned a lot of commission on it. So guys, as you see guys, this website is really good. Just people to take their own opportunity on it and start earning. So as you see guys, people are earning a lot of money on this website. So it is only you to start earning on this website. As you see, a lot of millions have been paid on this site,